All right, it's windy out. It's summer. Do you need one of these? Do you need something to remove your weeds? This, I bought off Amazon. I'll put the thing up there. This came in the biggest box
Oh my gosh.
we've ever seen.
Yeah, we'll have to insert.
Amanda got in the box.
And laid down.
I opened up the box, and this is all that was in there.
We thought we were getting something fancy for
Yeah.
sure.
It looked like a refrigerator.
We actually discussed the fact that the box may have been more expensive than the actual tool.
Yeah. This was only like $25. And I don't know, she actually, didn't you get an ad when it came in the same day?
Yeah.
This is, they make a metal one and it's a lot more expensive. This is bamboo shaft, which I don't know if you've ever, look at that.
There's no give, you mean?
Yeah, it's super strong. So now you're supposed to, it actually has instructions, center, press, and then lean. I don't know. So we'll see. This is part of the Oasis.
Yeah, this is newly put down.
We are building the Oasis backyard. If you guys want to follow us, subscribe to us, we got a ton of videos coming out. But we're testing out this weed puller. Oh wait, I don't have to do it that hard, I don't think. So lean.
Press and then lean. Yeah. Do you have to lean towards you?
I don't know.
It didn't say anything about stepping on it. I think it leans on the grass.
Oh, okay. And then it shuts that way. Okay.
Yeah.
Press, lean. It grabbed it.
Yep. There it
Oh,
is.
yes.
And some gravel.
Look at that.
That is cool.
It got all the weed. That
Root
was
and
so
everything.
easy.
So this would be great to save your back if you have a lot of landscape and you don't have to get down on your hands and knees and pull the weeds.
We need one of those small shovels to clean it out with. Let me see if I can find something.
So yeah, this will save your back big time from having to bend over and do all this.
Okay, so let's do another one. Lean. Oh my gosh!
Oh, wow.
That was so easy. Look at that. Look at that. Boom.
Came back to you.
Yeah, who cares?
Yeah, I give this a 5 out of 5.
Oh my gosh.
Right, babe?
Where was this at? Yeah.
I've seen these around for a long time. We've just...
Oh, really? We just
Yeah.
never got one?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? Do you know how hard it is to get these out of the ground?
Uh-huh.
This is
Yeah,
so...
you never get the entire root with
This
it.
is so easy. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Trying to figure out what you're doing.
You guys could see, like, that was pretty amazing.
Yeah.
We are trying to purchase stuff that will help your life. Like, this is one of them. This is awesome. This is working out great. And we left our weed barrier out right here because we didn't want it catching on fire from the fire pit. But, okay guys, great tool. We'll link it at Amazon. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.
Man, this thing is that, I couldn't believe that.
Yeah.
Did you see how big that one
That
root
was-
is?
Yeah, I was like a tree.
That was
I'm going to go
amazing.
around the whole yard with this thing. We're going to have a brand new yard,
That
brand new landscape.
that is crazy. Like, we've been missing this forever. And look
Yeah.
how well built that is.
Well, and the reason I never did
It's-
it is because it kills my back.
Yeah, that was nothing.
That was nothing.
I mean,
It does all the work for you.
absolutely nothing. You just got to get the root right, I think.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Look
It's,
at
it's
that.
like you're picking a vegetable.
Oh my gosh. That was cool. Just gotta have something to clean it out with.
Yeah. And we know you. You don't like to get dirty.
Yeah, I'm dirty. Oh my gosh.
And it's muddy because we've had so much rain. What is that?
I'm like, Sashi, I don't want to get dirty.